y'all. So excited to be hanging out with you again today. I've got my coffee, first and foremost. I have not even made my bed today, y'all. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna get some cleaning going. I don't know if I'm gonna make my bed, but I don't know if I'll get to like actually cleaning my bedroom today because it's gonna be a deep clean kind of thing. And I need to go through my closet and swap my clothes out. We do live in Florida. It tends to stay a little bit warmer here kind of all through the season. So you'll see that I leave some summer things. I'll leave a couple tank tops, a couple t-shirts, things like that I know I wear a lot on the regular. And if I can just throw a jacket over it or something if I need to, that's great. So I do that. I leave a couple kind of summer pieces around still that I'll wear because you just never know when it's going to spike up in the 80s or 90s. We just moved back here from New Orleans. New Orleans is kind of the same way, like stays pretty warm year round. But I know last time we lived here, which was the 4 years before that, it was like we were in shorts and tank top on Christmas. So anyways, I'm going to swap out my closet and do a deep clean of my bathroom. It is so bad. We had family in town, not last week, but the week before. And I don't think I've even touched it or cleaned it since deep cleaning it right before they come. So it definitely needs a good scrub down and all that stuff. But I'm definitely going to get to the main areas of the house today, probably get some laundry going, things like that. So yeah, let's get it going. Okay, so the blanket on the back of the couch, that is where our cat lays. She used to lay on the cushion beside the one that she does now. So that's why you saw me like move it over another spot. But I try to keep that there just so that I don't have so much cat hair to clean up. I can just toss that in the wash and then throw it back on. And everything's great, huh, Callie girl? That's her favorite spot to lay. We're cleaning your spot. She's wanting some loving. But I'm going to finish up this room and then we'll move on to probably the kitchen next because it needs some help, y'all. So I wanted to explain something because you're going to see this in a lot of my videos. This is not a random can of beer that's just sitting here with beer in it. It's empty and it's glued or nailed. I don't know what they did, but it's stuck to this platform. And so this was a going away gift for my husband at his command last time we lived here. And they always give the most obnoxious, crazy going away gifts. So you'll see them kind of all over the house. Most of them I think are hanging on the wall in the dining room and like our little office space. But this one's hilarious and like everyone comments on it when they come in our house. But you'll see that can of beer that's empty sitting there. It's just nailed down to that thing. So you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, these people drink a lot. But nope, it was just a funny gag gift. Okay, it started getting way too hot, so hair went up. I don't know why. I went through just now and cleared out some old videos and stuff like that, but I guess I probably ran out of storage, so it didn't film me finishing up vacuuming the living room, but I just vacuumed the rug off, vacuumed our beanbag chair, and put everything back in its place. I keep looking this way thinking the camera's on that side. It's on this side. So let's keep it moving. All right, so this room doesn't honestly get used too often. This is our formal dining for when we have guests, but it does need wiped down and dusted pretty badly. I dusted like all these surfaces before we put up Halloween stuff, which will be the next video I do, showing you all our little Halloween decor. I'm washing this stuff that goes on my lash bed right now. This is just our little office space. Let me back up and show you. But yeah, just little surfaces kind of need wiped down and tidied up, like all of our shoes here. Oh my goodness, I see a little pee spot from our little puppy. He's getting so much better, but we'll find one randomly here and there. My husband ordered some Amazon stuff, so that needs to go out. And I don't know who did this. I need to go get some more of these. I haven't like fully actually arranged this. I just stuck them in there because I need to go get more to put into this pumpkin. But I'm still not in love with like the stuff that's here on the table. These I've had for probably 10 years. So I've spent maybe $500 on Halloween decor this year. That's one thing I've never really invested in. So we did a little bit this year. Not a little bit. I feel like that was a lot, but we had nothing. And so we splurged a little. So yeah, this will be probably the next investment, is like cute Halloween stuff for this area. My daughter's random pad, her little drawing pad, but you can see like it's just dusty. So we'll be doing that, vacuuming. We got random little things here from the puppy. He likes to drag those out of the trash can, little toilet paper rolls. So this is really just like a little over clean. It's not too bad in here, but so you can see that this is our cat Sophie's favorite place to sleep. Look at all this cat hair. It's so gross.